Everyone, and welcome back to the Study Line. So today I'm here back with another story, The Night Train. So let's see what is in this story. In the heart of a bustling city where skyscrapers reached for the stars, a young woman named Emma found herself standing on a dimly lit train platform. It was late at night, and the air was filled with a sense of mystery and anticipation. The night train was about to arrive. Emma had heard rumors about the night train, whispered tales of its enchantment and the extraordinary experience it offered to those brave enough to board. Intrigued by the unknown, she decided to embark on this nocturnal adventure. As the train pulled into the station, its metallic wheel screeching against the tracks, Emma hesitated for a moment. The door opened, revealing a warmly lit interior that seems to beckon her forward. With a deep breath, she stepped onto the train, the doors closing behind her. Inside, the train was unlikely anything Emma had ever seen. The compartments were adorned with the elegant decor from a bygone era, and the soft glow of vintage lamps cast a comforting light. The air carried a hint of nostalgia and a touch of magic. Emma found an empty seat and settled in, her curiosity building with every passing moment. The train started moving, gradually gaining speed, as if wishing its passengers away to another realm. The city light faded into the distance and the darkness enveloped the train, adding to its mystique. As the night train journeyed through the night, Emma encountered fellow travelers who shared their story of adventure and dream fulfilled. There was an artist who had discovered his true passion, a musician who had found her voice, and a writer who had penned his masterpiece, all inspired by the enchantment of the night train. In the midst of these conversations, Emma realized that the night train had a unique ability to awaken the dormant desires within a people. It provided a sanctuary for dreams and aspirations to take flight, encouraging its passengers to embrace their passion and pursue what truly made their hearts sing. As the night wore on, the train began to slow down, signaling its approach to the final destination. Emma felt a mixture of excitement and a tinge of a sadness, knowing that her time on the night train was coming to an end. The train came to a gentle halt, and Emma stepped onto the platform, bidding farewell to her fellow passenger. She watched as the night train pulled away, disappearing into the night, leaving behind a trail of twinkling light that faded into the distance. Although her time on the night train was over, Emma carried its magic within her. She realized that the train had not only provided her with an extraordinary journey, but also ignited a spark within her soul. It had reminded her of the importance of chasing her dreams, embarrassing the unknown, and savoring the enchantment that life had to offer. With renewed determinations, Emma walked away from the platform, her heart filled with a sense of possibility. She knew that her journey had only just begun and that she would forever cherish the memories and the aspirations she had gained from the night train. And so, as the night gave way to the dawn, Emma set out to chase her dreams, guided by the enchanting whispers of the night train that would forever echo in her heart. Thank you for watching. This is for all about this Emma and the night train.